Shalom, this is your Ark. Yah is magnified, coming back with another informative video. I titled this video, Order of Dismissal. But before I tackle this subject, as always, I must state for the record, I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth, nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, guys, let's get to it. Okay, so now as you all know, I haven't been making a lot of videos as I was before, but that's because I've been extremely busy, okay? And I've been trying to get a lot of documents and paperwork out and everything else. But my ARC, he had a hearing that was scheduled on August 20, 2020, as you all can see at the bottom of the screen, right? My ARC, he will come on here as well to give his testimony on his situation and what happened. Okay, I just wanted to show you all the order and read over the order real quick before he come on so he can explain his own situation, all right? So let's read the order. A petition under Article 4 of the Family Court Act having been filed in this court on March 6, 2020 for the following. Violation of order of support existing /OS. Then it says, and the matter having duly come on to be heard before this court and no one having appeared, now it is hereby adjudged that the petition is dismissed due to withdrawal of petition. It is therefore ordered that the petition herein is dismissed. Okay, so I just wanted to read that, and you all can see it's signed by the judge and everything else. And it's dated August 20th, 2020. So again, I'm about to bring my ARC on right now so he can, tell you all what happened in this situation. So with that being said, without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, as promised, I got my ARC on the phone. Are you ready, ARC?
Ready.
All right, the floor is yours.
All right, no doubt. So this is where I'm gonna start from the beginning. So had a child support problem. Searching the internet. As a matter of fact, I saw you first, and I was like, I did the same mistake a lot of people do. Oh, he ain't got that many followers. I guess he ain't getting it popping right now. You know what I mean? Like, he might not know what he's talking about.
Right.
Big mistake. Big mistake. So guess who I go to?
Who you went to?
I'm an old virus.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Real talk. Real talk.
So, yeah. Well, hold on. The whole part about that was you never told me you went to him.
No, I didn't. It's embarrassing.
Oh, okay.
It's embarrassing, brother. It's embarrassing.
Oh, okay.
And you know I got. That's all that is. You know what I mean? You know what? I just like, fuck it, man. Let me just. I was like, fuck it. I just chucked it under the bridge, man, and I let it be. So, I apologize to you.
Oh, no problem, bro.
But yeah. So, I was checking you out, man, because I was like, you know what? I don't want to get got again. I don't want to get got again. So I'm checking you out. I'm looking at all your videos. And I'm like, this is what I've been learning for so many years with my brothers. You know what I'm saying? I've been learning this stuff. I'm like, yo, what he's saying makes sense. And ain't nobody saying what you're saying on your videos.
Right.
You giving the knowledge right there in the videos.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
So I'm like, all right. But the only thing I never got down pat was the paperwork portion of it. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Paperwork portion of it. Yo, I call it the act right paper. Act right paperwork. Oh, they gonna act right. So I hit you up, you know what I mean? I told you my problem. You shot the paperwork out to me. First of all, I got a business license. They was about to take that. As soon as I shot that paperwork out, crickets.
Stopped all that.
Crickets. Stopped it all. I was like, you know how hyped I was? I was like, oh my God. I was like, yo, what? I was like, why didn't I do this? Why didn't I hit him up the first time I saw him? Because I saw you before I saw everybody else.
Right.
It's just, you know what I mean? Now I know, you know what I mean? He's smart enough. It's not about the followers, it's about the content. And that's you smart enough.
Right.
So we fired that paperwork out. We was firing it at them. They wasn't even like, budging. It was just like we was firing at them. Then all of a sudden we hit them with that last piece. They want to take me to court. Now they want to take me to court. you know?
Right.
So I'm like, yeah. So they say get nervous. I feel like they was getting nervous. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So you put me, yo, I'm very thankful though. So then.
Oh, you're welcome, Mark.
Thank you, man, for real. So then, time to go to court. You give me another set of that fire. I put that in. Bam, 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 bam. Loving it. Just reading it. Yo, just reading it? You like, what? Oh, my goodness. Oh, damn. So, I put that in. Send it off to the court. Send it off to baby mama. She got a lawyer. So, she went and got a lawyer. The lawyer tell her, well, maybe you should work it out with him. I was like, what? Yo, that's crazy. Maybe you should work it out with him. So I'm kind of going fast here, but then she calls the child support agency.
Right.
And they tell her the same thing. Maybe you should work it out with him. Swear to you. Swear.
Oh, man.
So then she calls me and she said this to me. She told me just like that. They all told me that they think that I should work it out with you, so can we work it out?
Ah, man. Hey, I know that felt good.
Yo, it felt real good, man. It felt real good. I'm like, yeah. Y'all ain't as tough as y'all act like y'all. You know what I'm saying? But that's what your paperwork do too, because it's like with your knowledge, man. That's what that, you know what I mean? That give you that confidence. You like, oh man, I got this. And just even your swag, even the way I started talking to her during that whole thing.
Right.
Like, oh, you do what you got to do. You do what you got to do. I'm in. I'm all in.
Yeah, you was ready.
I was ready. I was ready to go all in.
Yeah, so basically you told her to just make sure she was ready, huh?
Yeah, exactly. And she, as you see, she wasn't ready.
Right.
So she go in, she write the letter. I want to take them off. I want to vacate the order. Done.
Right, and that's exactly what it says on the screen. It says a judge that the petition is dismissed due to the withdrawal of the petition. But the strange thing about it is they trying to say that it was a violation order of support. But as can you explain that to him?
Oh yeah, because the why was a violation.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I didn't agree. I didn't agree to pay, so I didn't pay.
Right.
I wouldn't give them nothing. You can't agree to it. You know what I'm saying? It's just not happening. So they're like, oh, you violated, and we want to talk to you about it. But they when they realize when you put that paperwork in,
right,
and they realize they can't really talk to you.
Yeah.
It's a whole nother story then. You know what I mean? Oh well, you should work it out with them. You know, that's crazy. That's crazy.
So let me ask you, how was you feeling when they told you that?
Oh, I was feeling good, man. Yo, you know what's crazy? I felt like I had a whole new life. I ain't gonna lie. I came in, I felt like a new man. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh yeah.
It's like like the world got lifted off my shoulders, man. It's like, yo, because you feel like that shit weigh you down. I feel like something on your shoulders all the time. You can't do this, you can't do that, or you always got somebody coming at you. You know, left, right. Now, I can take care of my son how I want, and even baby mama is nicer than me now.
She's way nicer than you now, huh?
She's way nicer than me, man. I ain't told her in 10 years. She just got on phone with me having a conversation about my son. It's crazy.
So let me ask you this. You were scheduled for a hearing on August the 22nd. What happened?
Yep. They didn't call me.
So you was waiting all that day, right?
I waited all that day for a phone call. I was ready. I was ready.
Right.
You had me ready. You had me ready. And I'm sitting there waiting for the phone call. You know what I mean? I keep looking at my phone. I'm making sure I got service. I make sure I got all my bar. You know what I mean?
Right.
No phone call at all.
No phone call.
No phone call at all.
And so let me ask you, what did you do after you didn't receive a phone call?
I called them. I called the court.
And
I'm like, yo, what's up? I'm ready for the fight. Like, where y'all at? Where y'all at? You know what I mean?
So what did the court say to you?
The court said, it's been vacated. It's been vacated. That's it. You're done. I was like, really? That's it? Just like that?
But when you listen to your story and listen to my story, it sounds the exact same. In my situation, it was withdrawn by the petitioner after I got after I applied that pressure. Same thing with you. You started applying that pressure. They told her what? They can't do nothing. Basically, they can't do nothing for her. So it's best that she work it out with you.
Work it out. That's exactly what they told her. Work it out. Work it out. It's crazy.
So you never experienced that before?
Nah, never. Nah, I would go in there and they told, like, yo, the magistrate, sucking her teeth at me, looking at me like she want to kill me. Threatening me. All kind of stuff. Everybody. And when you go in there, they treat you like shit.
Right.
You know what I mean? Now all of a sudden, now I'm work it out with them. Oh, yeah? That's crazy.
So let me ask you. So are you currently on child support?
Nah.
Do you pay child support?
Hell no. Hell no.
All right, cool. I just wanted to make sure everybody knows. So you're not on child support, right?
No.
And you do not pay child support, right?
I do not pay child support. Done. It's over. It's a wrap.
That's what I wanted the people to see and understand, man.
Man. Yo. Whoever listens to this, real talk, they need to go to you. They need to fuck with you. You the truth. Hey, yo. As a matter of fact, yo, you was there every step. You was like, yo, anytime you need me, I'm here. Like, you know what I'm saying? It was like never no, like I can't even contact this dude, or he make me feel like he don't even want to be bothered with none of that. He's like, yo, anytime you need me, you let me know.
Correct.
It was crazy.
And did I not apply you with the tools you needed?
Oh, yo, you apply me with a lot of tools. Matter of fact, just like some of your other subscribers, I use your tools for other situations. I do. They work. It works. It's real talk.
Because it's the same. I tell everybody, it's the same situation in everything that you're doing. Everything's the exact same. It's all commerce.
It's all commerce. Real talk. It's all commerce.
And so
people don't know how to. They don't get the concept. You know what I mean? Like that there's two different worlds out here. They don't get that.
Exactly. And what do you? And so let me ask you, what do you tell the people who try to say, don't listen to the straw man, don't work? What do you tell them idiots out there that keep saying that?
If they say it, let them not listen to it. But if you smart, listen to that shit. That shit is 100% true. 100% true.
You witness it firsthand, right?
Witness it firsthand. There's a difference. There's a difference. And then they respect it too. Like, it's not even like they front. They just front quietly. I mean, you know what I mean? They front quietly.
Exactly.
You know
Exactly. So they try to push underneath the rug because they don't want that out there, man.
No, they don't. But they respect it. It's crazy because they respect it.
So now you see why the subscriber counts are where they at.
Yeah.
You see, you got to experience it firsthand. So can't no one tell you anything different from here on out? Am I correct?
No, you definitely 100% correct. I walk a different way now, a whole entire different way.
Basically, you see the whole world different.
100%. The whole world's different. There's two worlds, man. There's two different worlds here.
It's two different worlds, man. It's just like that movie, They Live. Whenever the dude put on the glasses, he can see what's really going on, and they say we got one that can see, so they try to attack him. Same thing with you. When you went in there and you found them documents, and they told your baby mother that y'all got to work it out. We can't do nothing with it.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, for real.
Her lawyer even told her that. Her own lawyer.
Her own lawyer, man. Her own lawyer. And be honest with you, man, I was married to her, so we working on a divorce. And I even think he told him, he's like, yo, if he know this stuff right here, you should just give him what he want. Because she was trying to hold out for for money because I own a business, so she think I got all this money, which I really don't.
Right.
But you know what I mean? So she was trying to hold out. We was going back and forth for a minute, and now all of a sudden she said, "I just want to get it done with. I'm good. I just want to get it done with." So I think he hipped her. He's like, "Yo, if he rolling like this, just let it be."
Yeah, you're gonna be in trouble. You're gonna be in for a fight.
Just let it be. Yup. For real.
And that's the funny part about it. Y'all two was actually married.
Yeah, we was married.
And
we was married. You know.
And we still broke him down.
We got him.
Like
you know what I mean?
Yeah. Basically, to me, it seemed as though they wanted to see what would you do if they was to try to bring you into the court.
Yeah. I think so, 100%. But I'm hitting them up. I'm like, yo, where y'all at? What's going on? What's good? Anybody running in? That's what cats do, man. They run, man. You can't run.
Yeah, you can't run.
Nah, don't run. You showed me that. I used to do that. I'm like, man, I ain't answer that. Nah, hell no. And all they do is they get deeper and deeper. They get deeper and deeper on you.
So you must do what? You must respond.
You gotta respond, man. You gotta respond. Once you respond, you're good. You gotta respond the right way, too.
Yeah, but and then you also have to keep responding to make them quit on you.
Of course, see, and exactly. That's what we did.
And they threw in the towel, huh, man?
They done. That's it. It's a wrap.
All right, so let me ask you: was the gift worth it?
Yeah, honestly, I'd have paid you more. I'd have gifted more.
Right.
I'd have gifted more. It's worth more than that.
It's worth way more than that, right?
It's worth way more than that, man. No lie.
The feeling alone, and you didn't have to even step foot into a court. Some people may have to step foot into a court, but in your situation,
I didn't even have to go in there. You know what I mean? So, I understand it, but the way you put it down and the way you prepare it, especially, and if you're willing to work with the people, even if you do step in there, you got just a little bit of gonads, you got it.
You got it. You just got to be running to stand on it.
Yeah, exactly. You just got to stand on it, man. That's it. Because they know they can't. They ain't got nothing. As long as you stand on it, they ain't got nothing.
They ain't got nothing unless you give it to them.
Exactly. Yeah. Don't give it to them
unless you volunteer, and that's what it is.
Exactly.
We go in these courts, volunteer, give them everything they need.
Yep. They're gonna trick you into volunteering too.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Yep. But I ain't gonna hold you much longer, Ark. I know you got, it's Friday night. I know you about to, celebrate,
Yes, sir.
And,
yes, sir.
talk, you be with your son and everything. So it's like, everything back to normal.
Back to normal, feeling good, feeling lighter. You know what I mean?
and so anything else you want to say? Any last words you want to tell the brothers before we get up out of here?
Yeah, just a little bit. Look. Y'all is magnified. Do not pass this dude up, man. Don't pass him up. He the real deal. He the only one, from what I've seen, and I've seen a lot. He the only dude that's gonna get you what you want. Trust me. That's it.
Exactly. So the only thing they have to do is what?
Stand their ground. Stand up. Stand their ground.
Stand their ground. Stand up and be ready to go into them courts no matter what.
That's it. No matter what, you gotta be willing to do fight. I hate to get like spiritual, but if you got that in you, if you saying like, yo, whatever, like I'll do whatever it takes to get off this, you don't even have to fight that hard because your mentality gonna get you there.
And that's how I was. I said, brother, I'm getting off of it, even if it kills me.
Exactly.
And I wasn't taking no for an answer. And everything you're saying is correct. It's all spirituality. When you go into these courtrooms, it's a summons. You're being spiritually summoned to appear. They're raising the dead, and you're going before the judge to be judged. But we know the Most High is the only judge that can judge us. No other judge can judge us, man.
And that's what I live by that. I live by that. And when you rock with you gotta believe that. You gotta believe that the Most High is your only judge.
Your only judge. And what they say, if the Most High for you, who can be against you?
Exactly. No one.
No
Stand
one.
your ground. Stand your ground and stand for him. That's it.
That's why I always give all glory and honor to the Most High Yah, man. He's the only one that I know that can give me the knowledge that I have. You see what I mean? So, like I said, and basically the work is being done. He's using me to do the work, but it's all his work, man. You know, and I can't take, you know, basically I'm trying to remember, but I can't take credit for the things that's going on, man. To be honest with you, you know what I mean? I'm just here to you know, just to do his job. That's it, brother. That's all I can do. Is do his job and do his will in the end, and his will be done because Yah will be magnified. That's all I keep saying.
Real talk, brother. Real talk. Real talk.
And the funny part about it is, even during the pandemic, we're getting orders of dismissals.
That's what I'm saying. It's not like they adjourning and adjourning. Nah, they like, yo, if you gotta deal with this dude inside here, well, let's just get rid of him.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Exactly. They like,
I don't even want him to come in.
Right. They like, we got thousands of millions or more that we can get money from.
Slay like sheep.
Yep. Sleeps led to the slaughter.
Yep. For real.
Yes, indeed. But I really appreciate the gift and everything, and you know, just give me an opportunity to assist you. Like I said, I never knew you went to someone else, but you know, like I said, before me. But like I said, there's no issues because we still went in there. We did everything like we supposed to have done. We still firm on it. You got the results you desire.
Real talk. Now, I never. Just to be clear, I never submitted none of that garbage because I read it.
Oh, okay.
You get it after you pay for it.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? I've been in the game for a while. I know what's good. I read it. I didn't submit it.
Oh, so that's good.
I just paid for it.
I
wasn't trying to mess with the courts like that.
Okay, good. Yeah, because they had brought you to court, and the documents that you had, that was for you to send. He gave you documents to send into the court.
Yeah, that's exactly what he did.
All right, cool. Okay, yeah. Cause
man, you're garbage. Go straight garbage. That's you. I read it, and I was like, I'm not putting this in there. That's what I just threw money away.
Yeah. But that's good that you just took the loss and you know decided to come back to the real, man.
100%. Yo, look, listen. Whatever I could do, all my peoples, anybody that's having this problem, they're coming your way. Trust me.
My man, I really appreciate that,
No doubt, fam.
All right. So, anything else you got to say before I let you go?
No, that's it, brother. That's it, man.
All right.
Appreciate everything.
All right, no problem. You know, like I said, thank you as well for giving me the opportunity, man, to further, you know, to show that everything I'm saying is true.
Oh, it's definitely true, bro. It's definitely true.
It's true, right?
Yeah, man.
Yes, indeed. And also, thank you for the testimony too, man. You know, and sharing your story with the other brothers, because they need that. You know, people need to hear good news. You know, people need to hear that you can go in and win, and in fact, get free from the system that's entrapping you to force you into slavery.
100%. I mean, like, if you get free from this, you gonna know how to get free from every other thing that they put on. Real talk.
Yep. Yeah, because child support is, man, I'm telling you, man, it's a doozy dealing with these people, man.
They just don't care, man.
They don't care. So that's why I'm saying you got to go as hard as they going. It's not harder. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
So,
exactly, brother.
So the pressure was applied. I'd like to thank you again, for giving this testimony, brother. I really appreciate that. No lie.
Salute, brother. Salute. I appreciate it.
All right, so I ain't gonna hold you no longer, brother. You be blessed out there, all right?
All right, you too, bro.
All right, bro.
All right,
peace. All right, you all heard it from him. That's all I'm gonna do for today. If you all need my help, hit me up at my email at yahismagnified@gmail.com. I got more testimonies coming to y'all in the near future. Be on the lookout for those, okay? Like I told you all, on this side, we apply a lot of pressure, man. Everything I'm saying is true. Everything I'm telling you guys are all facts, all truth, and all proof. Nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, again, you all be blessed. Enjoy y'all weekend. With that being said, I say